outlining is a skill that would have been taught in the fourth grade until about 25 years ago. That is when graphic organizers gained in popularity. However, formal outlines are still used in business and upper academics, so a four-year university will expect you to know how to create a formal outline, not an outline with bullet points. So let's look at how to convert your research organizer into a preparation outline. The four columns create the five main sections of your outline. These are just like an English essay. You have the introduction, 3 body paragraphs, and a conclusion. We set off this information with Roman numerals. Roman numerals are made using capital letters. These are the letters for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Next, you want to take the titles of your body columns and reduce them to 3 words or less to create your main points. You can leave out the topic because it will already be established. We could name these columns Need, Resources, and Safety Tips. When we combine our Roman numerals and main points on an outline, it will look like this. Now we will add our subpoints. Subpoints are the next level of data that provides more information. These blue arrows identify the information that will be our subpoints. Subpoints are important details about our main point. Subpoints are labeled with capital letters under your Roman numerals. Each capital letter begins about 5 spaces to the right of your Roman numeral. The capital letter under each Roman numeral begins with A. The information left over in the columns will be our details about the subpoints, and they go under the accompanying subpoint. Move 5 spaces to the right and use regular Arabic numerals. The numbers under each capital letter begin with 1. Sometimes you want to go into more depth with your information. You do this by adding details to the subpoints. Details move even further to the right and begin with a lowercase a. We go into more depth, but it is unlikely that you will need to do so with a time limit of 4 to 7 minutes. Your information is now organized, but it is missing critical information. You have to cite your sources. It's easy to locate the sources on an organizer. The first letter or number, depending on the method you used, tells you the source. You need 3 pieces of information from your APA citation on your bibliography: the last name of the author or authors, the year, and the publication. In APA format, the publication will always immediately follow the article title. Do not include the article title. The publication is what carries the weight of credibility. A high school junior can write a paper called Changes in the Milky Way Galaxy from 1800 to the present, and they could post that paper on their blog. It would not be as credible as one written by an astrophysicist and published in the Astrophysical Journal. Even an article in a magazine that may quote an expert might have a misquote, and that is why it is vitally important to have credible sources and to let your audience know. The last piece of your puzzle is the transitions. You must make it clear to your audience that you are leaving one main point and moving to another. You must have transitions between sections 2 and 3 and between sections 3 and 4. Transitions are used just like the ones in English essays. You can have signpost words like first, now, and next, or you could use a bridge that mentions the past topic and introduces the new one. For example, now that you know the need for animal rescues, let's take a look at the resources available. You now have a practice sheet for your speech. Use it to time yourself. Add information if you are too short, and remove details if you are running over your time limit.